tour, but we're talking about the Leveluk JR IV. If you're new here, my name is Rochelle. I'm a 20-year plus nurse. Hydration is my jam, and in this video, I'm going to give you an actual tour of actually my dad's JR IV if you're looking for a specific model with the Enagic and getting started with Kangen water. I'm also going to tell you the 5 things you probably didn't know about the JR IV. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead with the setup. This is the JR IV. It's approximately 13 by 10 by 6 in size. Here are paper towel stands, and this is how it is in comparison to the paper towel stands. So let's go ahead and show you this unique setup that my dad has. His water source, this is the tube that the water is going to go into, attached to a faucet spout. This you can get on Amazon. Traditionally, some people have it linked to their actual spout here. Now I have a plumber on my team who specifically installed this and knows how to do this. There's some underwork to do this in terms of the spout. I also have a link to the Amazon here down in the description. So if you're local to me and you want a plumber to install this kind of setup, feel free to click one of the links down below. And if you are in the area, we'll definitely get you hooked up with this kind of look. All right, so back to the tour. So when you turn on the water goes through here and it's gonna go into the machine. Here, you will see this is the filter, and then it's going to go through 4 titanium platinum plates that are happening in here, and in the plates it's going to do its magic and it's going to split the water into the kind of water that you want. And in this case, you can see there are Kangen water, clean water, beauty water, and acidic water. This, to make acidic water or strong acidic water, you're going to need the electrolysis enhancer. This is where you would put that, and yes, it does need to be replaced. At the level right here, it tells you when it needs to be replaced or not. So in this case, we are good to go. As you can see, it pours all those beautiful bubbles, and that is the hydrogen bubbles, and that is antioxidant, and that's what makes Kangen water so special and so delicious. Fresh water out of the tap, filtered, hydrogen rich, and in this case, it is alkaline 9.5. Let's go into the 5 things that you did not know about the JR IV. First and foremost, low maintenance when cleaning. A lot of people do not know that it has an auto clean in it, so every so often it will just say cleaning on there. Number 2, as I mentioned, is the hydration. Because it uses electricity, I forgot to mention, you do need to have this plugged in, so it needs to be next to an electrical outlet because that's what powers this. Get the ultimate light hydration because it breaks up the H2O molecules even smaller, calling it microclusters, so that it penetrates cell structures. With this, the water breaks it down so that it goes right through that barrier. Number 3, there are 5 types of water that this makes, okay? And each model comes with this amazing breakdown. So depending on what you want, again, if you want Kangen water, this is 6.5, 8.5, 9.0, 9.5. You want clean water, it's going to say clean water. If you want beauty water, it's going to make beauty water. And if you want strong acidic water, that's for the cleaning, the antimicrobial feature to this. You just simply click on it. And then here it tells you what spout that the water is going to come out of. So the Kangen water is going to come off the top, and then the beauty water is going to come at the bottom. You don't need to like memorize it, but they have a handy pamphlet for you. Number 4. The antioxidant feature. This is your 20 plus nurse year coming through, okay? Our body, we put input all negative, acidic, negative ions in our body, whether that through coffee, soda, just the junk food that we eat, all that processed food that we eat. So you can only imagine that our body needs to bring back to homeostasis, meaning neutral. Hydrogen is all positive ions. And when you see those bubbles and the positive ions, you are adding positive ions to this negative free radicals in your body, because negative free radicals means you age faster, that diseases and certain conditions are going to get amplified. And so drinking this hydrogen rich water brings your body back to homeostasis, back to neutral, so it can do what it's supposed to do, and that's self-healing, right? So I call this like nature's immunity booster. The 5th thing I bet you didn't know, this JR IV is like the gateway to Kangen water, to Enagic, because roughly it's about $9 a day for the first year. And then after that, it pays on its own. This is one of my most popular models that I do sell for singles, couples, people who are just starting their holistic journey, and this is one of the best ways to come on in. Speaking about hydration and antioxidants, I have a story for you. As I told you, this is my dad's machine, and my dad, he's 80 years old. He is on dialysis. If you don't know about dialysis, that's when people who have chronic kidney disease or kidney failure, they have to be hooked up to a machine through their arm, and it will filter all their blood, and they have to go there at least 3 times a week, sitting up to like 3 hours a day, just to get their blood filtered, because kidneys are one of our largest filtering organs next to the liver. Okay, now my dad, before when he first started dialysis and before the Kangen machine, he would always talk about leg cramping. He would talk about tiredness after every session, and he just felt sluggish. So I said, you know what, Dad, try this Kangen water. One thing that I know for a fact, being a nurse for 20 plus years, is people are chronically dehydrated. So hydration is so like my main mission right now, and especially those who have kidney failure or kidney disease, because chances are if they're on dialysis due to hypertension or diabetes. Too much salt in your blood, hypertension. Too much sugar in your blood, diabetes. And when you drink good hydrating water, you can imagine the changes that he's experienced, right? So now he has this microcluster water that he gets to drink, and he's only drinking clean water, 7.0, which is what natural water is from tap or from bottled water. Okay, talk to your doctor if you have kidney disease or any other health issues. I do have to put that disclaimer on there. I'm talking about my dad and his personal journey, and so if you need to know specifics about yours, please reach your physician out there. Okay, dialysis patients can only limit their water intake, right, because they have to watch their weight. I might as well have him drink the best water out there. And since he's been drinking, he's no longer sluggish. He's no longer tired after sessions. Those cramps no longer exist. And not to mention all his numbers that he gets checked in with his doctor, they're always like optimal, like happy face. He always tells me, babe, the doctor, I have happy face on all my lab work this week. And in addition, his urine, it's like clear, or at least light yellow. Okay, light yellow means you're really hydrated. Before, it used to be dark, like tea colored, maybe apple juice color. That means you're too dehydrated. And I'm just grateful that just by changing his water, it has greatly improved his dialysis day sessions. If you found this video very helpful, I do have a Junior 4 series that I'm gonna pop here. I also have other models that you can check out down here. Now, if you're ready to grab one for yourself, again, I'm like no pressure, open book. Go ahead and click on one of the links below. You're either going to book a call with me personally or someone on my team who can get you to process the order, or you'll fill out a form or a survey so that I can help you answer any questions about different models, like what's the difference between this and that and that. That's what that conversation is for. And if you haven't yet, give this video a big like, subscribe, and any questions, you can leave it down below. All right, guys, happy healing.